Hi, Martin here at GSA Golf, Naples, Florida. We're setting up the PX2 sensor mat today. This is how you do it. First of all, you connect the USB cable on the sensor mat to your USB port on your PC. And when that's done, we first need to go into the Windows Device Manager, which is here, to see what port Windows has assigned that sensor mat to. Here we can see it's on COM9. Small problem with serial devices with Windows. Windows always assigns a Microsoft serial ballpoint to the system here, and that has to be disabled. Otherwise your mouse is going to be flying all over the place. It's not at the moment, but it can do. So you just disable that. Right, so we know it came in on COM9. Start the control panel. And go to setup. So we've got no COM port I/O on here, so we set the COM port to COM9 and it should say successfully opened. Once that's happened, you'll get the sensor mat detected message and we can test the sensor mat. So there's communication now between the sensor mat and the system. So we're going to show sensors and you'll see the face timers running and all the sensors here. I'm not doing anything at the moment, but if we take a swing or pass any object over those sensors, they will light up. Okay, so this is the PX2 club track and sensor mat. It is a shadow based system. That means when we produce a shadow, we have an overhead halogen lamp which is supplied with the system, and that has to be pointing directly down, and it creates a shadow as an object passes over. As the club passes over one of these three sensors at the back, all the other sensors will be reset, and as we go through, pass through, depending on where the shadow is, the appropriate sensors will be latched. The system can then read the club path and the club face angle or impact of the ball. Okay, so to test, first of all, one of the three reset sensors should reset all the sensors. So none of the sensors should be lit when you're looking in the control panel at the sensors, other than the two timer sensors which are at the front here. And as we pass the club over the sensors, all the sensors should light up in the control panel, the back row, and then on the front row too. Right. Okay, just a small swing, that's like that, so open club face, close club face. So go over the reset sensors, that's one of the three at the back of the mat, and all the sensors should go dark except for the two timer sensors, which stay lit. If we run an object over the back row of sensors, they should all light up like that. And same with the front row of sensors, like that. Okay, that's basically it. So if we, this is just the control panel, this is not the game software. So that's basically it. You say send back and you can start your game software. Alright, thanks.